Good morning students and welcome to our YouTube channel Gnan Manjari Modern School. In previous video we have just completed the lesson number 11, that was pressure. Okay students, now just we will discuss its MCQ fill in the blanks and match the following of that lesson. I have given you homework in the previous video that you have to find out the answers of that. Now I am giving the answers, you just verify. See here, lesson number 11, that is pressure. Okay students, so A, MCQ first. First one is, pressure can be defined as, I have told you that you have to by heart the definition of pressure, that is force per unit area. So the answer is C, force per unit area. A, open tube manometer used to measure pressure. Manometer is used to measure pressure. Okay students. Third, that is deep sea divers use a special suit to dash. So in this, increase the surface area, protect themselves from high pressure experienced on deep underwater, or swim faster, or make themselves lighter. So in this, the answer is B, that is protect themselves from high pressure experienced deep underwater. Next is fourth one. When we immerse one end of a drinking straw in a liquid and suck the other end, we create a low pressure area in the liquid, low pressure area inside the straw, high pressure area inside the liquid, high pressure area inside the straw. So in this fourth one, that is B. Fifth one, inside a vacuum cleaner there is a fan that makes the pressure inside. For A option, lower the atmospheric pressure outside, higher the atmospheric pressure outside, equal the atmospheric pressure outside, blow away the dust particle outside. So in that is low pressure, fifth one, that is A. Okay students, so this is the answers of your MCQ. Please note down this students. In the first one it is C, second one it is C, third one it is B, fourth one it is B, fifth one that is A. So please note down this students. See here, now we are going to B, that is fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. So in that, 1 Pascal is the pressure produced when a force of 1 Newton acts over an area of 1 square dash centimeter or meter. We know that we have seen that formula P is equal to F upon A. In that, force is taken as Newton, 1 Newton, and area is taken as meter square. So in this, the answer is meter. First one, meter. Okay students. Second, increasing the applied force over the same area dash the pressure produced. Increasing the applied force over same area, what will happen? The pressure will increase. Okay students, pressure will increase. Third one, that is dash, are together referred to as fluid, that is gas and liquids. Third one, liquids and gases. Okay students, this is your third answer. Fourth, a balloon is expanded when air is blown into it because of the pressure of the dash, atmosphere pressure or air inside. So in that there is air inside. Fifth, in a liquid, pressure dash with depth. In liquid, pressure increase with depth. You know, we have seen that activity, the balloon in which air is filled and pushed into the water, so that as we push, the force comes back on our hand. So fifth one, that is increase. Increases. So students, please write down the answers of fill in the blanks. Have you wrote down students the answers? Now see, that is match the following. Match the following. In that, the first one, a device used to measure pressure. We all know which device is used to measure pressure. First one, a device used to measure pressure. So in that the answer is manometer. Manometer is used for measuring pressure. Second, that is pressure due to the weight of the air above. So we have seen the definition of atmospheric pressure. It is pressure due to the weight of the air above it, that is atmospheric pressure. Atmospheric pressure. third one, that is unit of pressure. Unit of pressure. So what is the unit of pressure? You know students, Pascal. Pascal is the unit of pressure. Pascal is the unit of pressure. Fourth one, atmospheric pressure acts in atmospheric pressure acts in atmospheric pressure acts in all the directions. Atmospheric pressure acts on all the directions. Now fifth one, last, that is withstand great pressure of water. So in this, what will be the answer? That is walls of a dam. Please note down this answer, students. Now just we will see the answer the following question. In that, what you have to write. Okay students, what is pressure in physics? Give its SI unit. We all know pressure is what? Force per unit area, and its SI unit is Pascal. And why are, second one, why are the needles made pointed? We all know as the area decreases, pressure increases, so the needles are made. That you can write from, you can find out. Why does a balloon burst if too much air is blown into it? This you can write answer from the activity that we have seen. And second is define atmospheric pressure. That is definition given. How does the atmospheric pressure vary with altitude? That is also given. And explain why the walls of dams are made thicker at the base. We all know due to the, as the as the depth increases, water's pressure increases, so at the dam the walls are thicker at the bottom. Look at the pictures below and explain the property of the pressure that has been applied in it. We know in stove the low pressure is created, and in vacuum cleaner also low pressure is created. In skating the area is big, so the legs don't go to the into the snow, and in knife the there is a sharp and the area is less and force is more, so the it cuts. So these are some of the. Now we have finished this chapter, and now we will start with a new chapter, that is now we will start with our new chapter, that is lesson number 6, conservation of plants and animals. Okay students, now we will start with our new chapter. Lesson number 6, that is conservation of plants and animals. Here the chapter name is too big, but we will see this chapter. Okay students, so we will start with our new chapter, that is lesson number 6, conservation of plants and animals. So first of all, what is conservation? Conservation. What is conservation? We can talk that conservation means to conserve something, means to not be destroyed. We have to conserve that. So for first of all, we will see about the biodiversity. There is a first topic in your textbook, that is in this chapter, that is biodiversity. Let us see that. Biodiversity. So first of all, we will see what is biodiversity. Any of one you know that what is biodiversity? Let us first of all write a definition that is given in your textbook of biodiversity. I am writing that on the board. So the variety of organisms that exist on the earth is known as its biodiversity. Okay students, so this is the definition of biodiversity. You just have to learn the variety of organisms that exist on the earth is known as its biodiversity. So I talk the variety. We all know that we have seen about the variety in the foods, in the colors, in the all the things we have some variety. If we see some foods, that there are some varieties, Punjabi, South Indian and Gujarati, there are some of the varieties of the food. As in the biodiversity, the variety of organisms means the variety of organisms. The organisms have different varieties that exist on the earth is known as the biodiversity. Okay students, so the variety of organisms which is on the earth is known as its biodiversity. Okay students, let us see some further points in it. See here, there is a vast variety of organisms that exist on the earth. We all know we can't count that much variety is there of organisms on the earth. They are found in different regions of the earth and have developed adaptation to survive there. The variety of organisms that exist on the earth is known as its biodiversity. Let us know about biodiversity and how we can be conserve it. See here, biodiversity can be talked about in a terms of variety that exists in a region or even on the earth as a whole. Some regions on the earth have a great diversity than others depending on the type of climate, vegetation that region has. Rainforests are the most dense and therefore have a great biodiversity. See here, the variety is seen in the all the parts of the earth or some area. So the variety, some of the variety depends on the climate, how the land is or how there is a rainfall. So all are depends on the seasons, where climates and etc etc, some there according to their characteristic. Okay students, and some of, we all know some of the we can see some of the animals or insects, they can live on the ice region, means there where there is much cold, okay, and they can't live here on the where there is temperature more than 25 degrees Celsius. Okay, so they can't live over here, and these animals and which are living in the 25 degrees Celsius or more, they can't live there in the cold region. So there is some variety, they can live here only, and they can the cold region animals or insects live variety there only. So they, we can't interchange it because there some of the characteristics match the weather conditions and that all. So we can't just replace it. Okay students, so here there is one figure over here. So you can see that before we learned about biodiversity and its conservation, let us learn about a few related terms. Look at the figure 6.1 and answer the following question. See, a rainforest have a great biodiversity. We can see variety of organisms in forest more than on the land. Okay students, name the different kinds of animals that you have can see. See here, there are different kinds of animal like tiger, monkey, fox, bear and all the things. How many parrots you can see? You can see 2 parrots. Okay students, and how many blue butterflies you can see? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 blue butterflies. How many yellow butterflies? 1, 2, 3. 3 yellow butterflies are there. Many different kinds of plants in the forest. Yes, many different kinds of the plants. So these are the variety of the biodiversity which is shown on the earth. So it is known as earth biodiversity. Okay students. See here, each of these animals like parrot, blue butterflies and yellow butterflies are different species of animals, whereas the total number of blue butterflies found there denoted the population of the blue butterflies in that forest. Okay students, so we have seen here a figure in which there are different types of varieties like parrots, tigers, different types of trees, butterflies with different colors. Okay students, so these are the some variety of that rainforest, and the we have seen some of the different plants and different trees in it. Okay students, these are the different varieties on the earth. Okay students, let us see further. Further, you can see there is a definition of species. What are species? I am writing that on the board. What is species? Species species. So, what are species? Species refer, I am writing from here only. Species refers to a group or class of animals or plants that have common permanent features and characteristics that separate them from other groups. Okay students, so what are species? Let us see that. So species refer to a group or a class of animals or plants that have common permanent features and characteristics that separate them from the other group. If we talk about the birds, what is the main common feature of the birds? They can fly, they have wings, so that are all the species are known as birds. So there is a human species, okay, there is a human which is different from the all others. And if we talk about the tigers, there is animals that have some different, there is an animals which is different species. In that there are some of the different types: herbivorous animals, carnivorous animals, omnivorous animals, and the other decomposers and other. There are 5 types of the animals, and insects and other. Some of the animals can live in water and some of the animals live on the land, and some of live in the both. We know that. Okay students, so these are some of the varieties of the organism on the earth. Okay students, please underline these 2 definitions. Okay students, you just, now it's time for your homework students. Your today's homework, please note down students homework. Please read this chapter, page number 79 and 80. Read page number 79 and 80. Okay students, so we will meet in the next live video. Up till then, stay safe, stay home. Okay, bye students.